I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing cryptographic material because the tunnel depends on strong identity. Generate a 4096-bit private key and a matching certificate, then combine them into cert. PEMSOS tunnel or your TLS agent can read one file. Once done, set strict file permissions and verify ownership to prevent unauthorized reading. Make sure you installed Stunnel or have open SSL tooling available. Otherwise, you cannot create the TLS file or test the connection. Next, you assemble the actual tunnel configuration that references cert. PEM. In the service block, choose Accept for incoming binding or Connect for outbound tunnels and declare the target host port. Include TLS controls like ciphers and verify chain and point to a SIA file to validate peers. This prevents downgrade attacks. After editing, validate syntax with Stunnel N or equivalent. If you need SNI or Alpin, add those options so the remote endpoint matches expected host names. Finally, bring the tunnel up and verify connectivity. Start the Stunnel service or run it in foreground for live feedback, then test with OpenSL S client or a TLS-capable client to confirm handshake and hostname verification. Make sure to restart after config changes. If something goes wrong, check the Stunnel logs and system journal first, then confirm firewall rules, file permissions, and complete certificate chain. A single missing intermediate cert is the most common cause of handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.